Yeah, sometimes you just got to come and jump in the ocean, guys. Listen, did you know that we came from the ocean? I think we came from fish. So millions of years ago, some fish crawled up on the beach, okay, over here, and it started walking. And then it went and had sex with some other fish. And then they just kept having sex over the next thousands and thousands of years. And then somehow some monkeys came out. And then we got monkeys and then gorillas. And then we had Homo sapien, Homo erectus. And then we got a bunch of homos. That's us. The human being race is a bunch of homos. Homosexual, transsexual, straight, whatever you want to call it. We're all the same. We're all human beings. But we came from here, guys. We came from the ocean. Thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of years ago, okay? And then we just somehow became super smart. Well, most of us are really stupid. But some people became smart, and then they learned how to talk and walk and walk and talk and talk and walk. And then they learned how to build things and houses and cars and trains and planes. And now we're going to space. Yeah, there's the moon right there. Where's the moon? We got a half a moon tonight. Beautiful. And now we're going to space. Now we're going to the moon, right? Elon Musk is going to land on the moon, I think, next year. And then he said in 3 years he's going to Mars. So I don't know what the hell is going to happen, but I'm telling you right now, man, at my age, 55, I'm happy for one thing. And that one thing is this. It's one word. Freedom. Freedom. Meaning, if you don't have freedom, you're dumb. You're dumb. You need to be able to do whatever you want to do whenever you want to do it. So if you're in your 40s, especially if you're in your 50s, and you have to still get up in the morning and go to a job that you hate, you're not making enough money, you got to sit in stupid fucking traffic, right? Why don't you give me a call? Why don't you contact me here, and I'll talk to you and answer your questions, and then I'll show you what I do, which is sell products and services on the internet and on social media. So on Google, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, I run ads, I sell products, many different websites, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, Nike, just to name a few, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Porsche, just to name some others, Cadillac, okay, Dress Barn, many, many different types, Home Depot. They have what's called affiliate marketing programs. So I just tell people about products in my ads. They go to Home Depot, they go to Walmart, they go to Best Buy, Amazon, whatever. They buy a product. I get a little commission. Now, it's not much, about 5% on average. But if I do $100,000 of sales on Amazon from my ads, I don't sell anything. I'm just a promoter. I promote stuff online at the richest, most popular website in the world called Amazon. And now it's TikTok Shop. You got to get into TikTok Shop. And then they pay me a commission. They pay me once a month. They wire me the money right into my bank account or PayPal or Stripe or many different ways. I got 21 different ways to accept money. And it's pretty good, man. I mean, last month I did $338,000 worth of sales in 1 month of September 2024. So what's 5% of 338,000? Well, 10% is 38,000. So half of that. So about $19,000, almost $20,000 I made while I was sleeping, while I was at the beach, while I was running and working out, exercising, or swimming in the ocean, or spending time with my little girl and my little boy. I don't work anymore. All I do is get up in the morning. I have a couple of non-negotiables I do, which is pee, poop, shower, exercise, stretch out, cup of coffee, and then I put 30 grams of protein in my body. I do all that within the first 2 hours when I wake up. Then I get on my phone and I go like this, like you guys do. But I don't swipe. You guys fucking swipe. You're watching videos. You're watching stupid fucking news. You're watching shit about the hurricane. None of that puts money in your pocket, my friends. Don't be dumb. Be freedom. Have freedom. Freedom is when you're making $19,000, $20,000 a month while you're at the beach, while you're at dinner, while you're making a video like this. I'm making money while I'm making this video. In fact, I just got 7 messages pretty much while I'm making this video. I got notifications of people sending me messages from Instagram and TikTok and YouTube and all my social media because they're interested in one thing: freedom. Freedom. They want to wake up in the morning and do whatever they want to do whenever they want to do it. If that's you, contact me here. Tap the link in my description. I'll talk to you. No problem. I'd love to help you. I don't charge for the first call. I just talk to you. You ask me questions, I'll answer the question. I'll show you what we do. I've got about 117, 118 people now that I work with pretty much consistently every week They're my sales team. They help close sales, and I am an online coach. I'm a coach. I am a social media online make money while you're sleeping coach. My program is called Financial Fitness to Freedom. Contact me here, and I'll show you exactly how to get into it.